For today's video, I pulled out all of my makeup that I used to love, all of my holy grails from years past, and I put it all on my face. So let's do a full face of old favorites. Okay, let's get this started. The first thing we're going to do is go in with the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer, and it is a good one. It's a smoothing, it really fills in the pores and smooths out skin. It's not something I would reach for nowadays, but it's still good. And then this foundation that I'm going in with, I used to be so die-hard for, even blogged about it years ago, 10 years ago. This was like my holy grail. This is the Revlon Color Stay. I'm using the dry version, normal to dry. And I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it. It just seemed a little too heavy, a little too cakey for me. I just wasn't feeling it. And then the next thing, we're going in with the Bobbi Brown Corrector in Light Peach. This is something that I've loved for a very, very long time. I still love it. I don't reach for it as often. I still use it. And then I'm going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is good, but I guess, I don't know, maybe it was just the foundation that I had it paired with. I just wasn't feeling the concealer either. I need to do this with more of a lighter makeup look. I just prefer other concealers nowadays, but it's still pretty and it still blends out nicely, and I still see why people really love it and still reach for it. Okay, here's a throwback nobody talks about anymore. The RCMA No Color Powder. Do you guys remember this translucent powder that hit YouTube and everybody loved? Well, I pulled it out and I don't know. It was just a little dry for me. It didn't really, I don't know. Next up is the Bahama Mama Bronzer from The Balm, and this used to be like something I loved, but then when I put it on today, I was like, this is so patchy. It's probably because it's old. I did spray it with alcohol, so don't come for me. All of the older stuff I sprayed down. But I'm like, I don't know. I feel like this was the only eyeshadow palette I talked about in 2018, and that is the Anastasia Modern Renaissance. So I'm going to create a look that I used to do all the time with this, and you'll see here. When I was creating this, I felt like I had to spend a lot more time blending than I remembered using this palette. Again, it's probably because it is a little old, and I did, like I said, sanitize it, but you know, it could just be that, and the colors seemed to be really, 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 really patchy when I was trying to create this look again. Is it that they're patchy or that I've gotten better at makeup? Like, I'm not sure. Or do I need a new one? I don't know. It is a beautiful palette and I do still like it, and I just didn't think it came out as vibrant and as beautiful as I remembered, but that could be user error. So here's my look that I created with it. No old school makeup look would be complete without some NARS Orgasm Blush. You know, it's pretty. I remember this being just the most popular thing in the world and everyone loved it, and it is super pretty. There's just other blushes I tend to reach for over it, even though this is a newer one that I bought. Now here is an item I loved a long time ago and I still love and I still repurchase. It's the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. I absolutely love it. You can see my approval right here. Yes, let's kiss it. And then I'm going to throw on some strip lashes off camera and go in with my Maybelline Master Precise Skinny Gel Pencil. I've loved this for years and I just keep repurchasing it. It's just a staple in my makeup collection and I haven't changed it. I just love it so much. We gotta use a MAC lipstick in this look. This is the color Snob. I used to be obsessed with this, and let's just put it on. I put it on and I'll just let my reaction share with you how I felt. I was just like, what? This cool tone pink, just, I don't know, I wasn't vibing with it. I was like, I don't like this look. It's not good. So we're gonna throw on this YSL Shine lipstick. I used to be obsessed with these as well. And this is in one of the nude colors, and I'm gonna throw that over it just to kind of take down the extra cool tone Barbie pink look to this lipstick and make it look a little better. I think it looks a little better. I don't know. I'm not digging it, but we're gonna laugh and go with it. And finally, we are going in with the Balm Mary Luminizer. Used to be obsessed with this highlighter. I still actually really love it very much. It's just super blinding. I was like, whoa, I forgot how blinding this is. And that's going over the cheeks, and I'm gonna highlight the face with that. Okay, and here's the final makeup look. What do you guys think? Did we create something? I think with what I had, I was able to create something really pretty, but it's just not stuff that I would reach for over and over again. Some yes, some no, but this look is a no from me, but I had fun anyway, so thank you for watching.